Put your foot forward. Mommy, no. Go. Hi guys. For today's video, we're going to unboxing with this. It is the hula hoop. This is like a weighted hula hoop, guys. So, and this is from Amazon. This is, let me see, the brand is Bird. It's a Bird. Then, this is, it's included, jump proof. So, carry bag, good for carrying and storage, jump proof. So, this is the product inside, and it's included with the jump proof. And this is how you do that. Press the gray button and align the connection piece. Allow the pieces snap together and they are safely connected. To disconnect the hula hoop, press the white button, pull this section apart, and you can carry your hoop wherever you go. So you can go in the gym, wherever you go, like going to the mom-in-laws. This one, that's what the instruction that I was just reading. So let's get started, guys. The brand here. That's the brand. Yan. And get it open, guys. So I did open already. This is what it looks like inside. Ayan. And then we're gonna pull that. They have a gray and pink color. So this is the product. This is the hula hoop. And it comes with the bag. And the bag inside is the jump proof. It's a plastic green color jump proof. So this is it's very long. So jump proof, it's free na siya, guys. And then this is the bag. And this is the box without any instruction. Well, the instruction is in the box. So this is the one I read earlier. Yun. So let's connect each other. Let's connect this one, guys. So we're going to do the gray, pink. And so, ayan siya. Kukonek lang siyang ganun, day. Here they have this one. You can press into this. So you're gonna line up this and this. So this one line up into here. So what you're gonna need is you just press this one, then you're good to go. See? And you need to do the same as the other one. So this one is, you have a hole in here, and you just line up into there. The same thing, you have a sign of this. You're gonna pull, and there you go. And we're gonna do pink color again.
Oh, fire!
It's the same thing here. They have a line up here. Press, and good to go. See? So let's do the same. Wow, it's really big.
Ready? Fire!
Give it to mommy. So here is the last one. It's really big. It's this weighted, it's called weighted hula hoop. See the long one? There. And it's really big. And it comes with this hula hoop. So let's try, guys. So guys, I changed my tap so that you can see how I did it. This is my first time I'm gonna do the hula hoop, but when I'm little, I did the hula hoop before, and I don't know, I still know how to do it. So let's try this, guys. So let's do this, guys. It's my first time I'm doing it. Oh, first try. Falling down, oh my god. So you have to put your 1 foot forward, then put your foot forward, and then you will do step. I'm gonna do this every day. Tapos, ayan. A little bit tired, but I hope this is worth it. So my husband said you have to see as this is already like bump here. That means it won't falling apart, because the first earlier I did it is falling apart here, just like that. So it,
1, 2, 3, come on!
Come, mommy. No. Okay, go. Aww. Guys, when you are starting to do a hula hoop, you're gonna put the hula hoop here, like in the end, other way, like that. So, and then you just turn your from start here, and you just turn like that. Okay. So, and you're gonna put your another foot in the front. Step your foot in the front so that you will have a balance to do shake like that, guys. So let's try. This is my technique about how I do it. I step in my legs like that. So. See my legs like that? Like that, so. By the way, this is a weighted hula hoop. I got it in Amazon. Like I told you earlier. I got it in Amazon. Weighted hula hoop, guys. So, excuse me my fat here because I have a baby and it's not. For now, my baby is going to 2, So it's not excuse for me to at all to have a baby with a fat belly. So let's get started our exercise, guys. So, and thank you guys. I'm getting tired. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys give me a thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe down below, guys. Thank you so much. Bye.